Hello. The next participant in Advocate Sandhya Sharma. She is the founder of the Vipra law firm.
Uh, First of all, thank you so much for being here today. I stand here before you with great enthusiasm, sharing my professional experience and talking about on the topic of converging clinical legal education with ADR, which is referred as alternative dispute resolution, but I would like to call it here as appropriate dispute resolution method. Uh, to start my discussion, just to briefly summarize the subject of this paper I'm going to present here, clinical legal education is the experimental legal methodology to bridge the gap between theory and practice in legal education. ADR is the method which offers parties a more flexible and collaborative approach to dispute resolution. And the integration of both discussed in this research paper involves strategically combining elements of clinical legal education with ADR methodologies within legal education. It explores how legal pedagogy can adapt to incorporate experiential learning opportunities focused on dispute resolution techniques, enhancing practical skills and preparing students for the complexities of legal practices. To take further this discussion, I would like to emphasize on how ADR training can benefit law students in clinical legal education. First would be practical skill enhancement. ADR training offers hands-on experience in negotiation, mediation, and arbitration, honing law students' practical skill crucial for effective legal practice. Second would be real-world application. Integrating ADR into CLE exposes students to real-world dispute resolution scenarios, which bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. ADR also cultivates critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which empower students to approach legal issues with a strategic and solution-oriented mindset. And the important point here would be that ADR emphasizes collaboration and client-oriented approaches and centered approaches, instilling in students the importance of understanding and addressing clients' needs in legal problem solving. ADR hones students' communication skills, teaching them to articulate legal arguments persuasively and facilitate constructive dialogues in dispute resolution processes. ADR enhances overall professional readiness, providing law students with a well-rounded skill set that extends beyond traditional litigation, aligning them with contemporary legal practices and client approaches. The main objective of this paper was to incorporate ADR training into CLE, which enriches the educational experience, ensures the law students graduate not only with theoretical knowledge, but also with practical skills and a comprehensive understanding of effective dispute resolution mechanism. In the harmony of clinical legal education and ADR, students learn not only the notes of the law, but the artistry of resolving legal discords. Currently, if we compare the data of the law institutes, there are many few institutes which are focusing on ADR. And as an ADR professional, I believe that mediation and mediation trainings and arbitration trainings, I'm really sorry. It shapes the minds of the law students as a professional also. So I believe that it makes the legal education more versatile and more practical. This paper was to explore the strategic convergence of CLE with ADR, revealing global variation and emphasizing adaptability and providing actionable recommendations, thereby contributing to the evaluation of legal pedagogy for a more competent and global relevant legal workforce. In conclusion, the synthesis of CLE and ADR is not just a theoretical proposition, it's a transformative journey shaping the future of legal education. The findings and recommendations presented here contribute to the ongoing dialogue on the evolution of legal pedagogy, Pedagogy. Thank you. At the end, I just like to thank you for your attention and participation. That would be all for my presentation. Thank you.